how to turn off contacts syncing on TikTok. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now of course you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the profile icon below your screen. Right after, it will then take us to our profile right here. You want to go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and this menu will show up where you can click the settings and privacy. Now inside settings and privacy, click on privacy right here, and you will be able to see the sync contacts and Facebook friends. You want to click on this option, and if you want to turn these settings off, you can just go ahead and disable both of these sliders. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.